Looking to enhance your surround sound system? The best speaker wire for home theater ensures crystal clear audio transmission, minimal signal loss, and reliable performance perfect for delivering immersive sound across your entertainment setup. Choose wisely to unlock full sound potential. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Garrett 14AWG Speaker Wire. The Garrett 14AWG speaker wire is a well-rounded solution for anyone looking to wire a home theater system with a dependable professional-grade cable. As part of the brand's Pro Series, the speaker wire is crafted using high-quality stranded copper-clad aluminum, or CCA conductors. While not pure copper, CCA provides very similar signal transmission with corrosion resistance and a lighter weight, which makes installation much easier, especially for longer cable runs. The wire is easy to work with, flexible enough to maneuver around corners and through entertainment systems, and strong enough to resist damage during installation. It supports custom setups thanks to compatibility with banana plugs, spade tips, or bent pin connectors, making it highly adaptable for various home audio equipment. The audio output is consistent and clear, delivering reliable performance for users who want good sound without overpaying. This is especially true for users with mid-range speakers who might not notice a difference between CCA and more expensive OFC wire. The outer jacket is durable and flexible, adding an extra layer of user-friendliness. Garrett puts their cables through thorough testing to ensure long-term performance, and it shows in the wire's build quality. The company also includes a Pro Series lifetime warranty, offering added assurance for the buyer. Whether you're wiring front speakers, rear channels, or a center unit, this cable does the job effectively. For home theater enthusiasts seeking solid value, easy handling, and clean audio, the Garrett 14AWG speaker wire is a dependable, affordable choice that holds its own against pricier options. Number 2. Garrett CL2 Home Theater Speaker Wire. The Garrett CL2 home theater speaker wire is a practical and performance-oriented solution tailored specifically for in-wall installations. It's a 14AWG 2-conductor CCA, or copper-clad aluminum cable, that supports clean, efficient audio transmission across various indoor environments, including ceilings, attics, and walls. This wire is perfect for home theater projects that demand both safety and aesthetic integration, thanks to its CL2 rating, which meets fire safety standards for in-wall use. The wire's stranded CCA design offers a great mix of cost-effectiveness and performance, suitable for general home theater setups. While it doesn't quite match the conductivity of oxygen-free copper, the CCA construction is more than capable of delivering a high-quality surround sound for most users. The wire is compatible with all major speaker brands like Sony, Yamaha, JBL, and Klipsch, making it extremely versatile. The PVC jacket includes clear color coding, helping users easily distinguish polarity for a hassle-free installation. Available in various lengths from 75 to 200 feet, it's also ideal for users needing bulk wire for large setups. Whether connecting tower speakers, bookshelf units, or subwoofers, this wire ensures a steady, reliable connection that supports immersive sound without distortion. The insulation is tough but flexible, which means you won't have trouble routing it through tight conduits or narrow wall gaps. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, this product is both budget-friendly and dependable, making it a top pick for users looking to build or upgrade their home theater system without overspending. Number 3. Install CCA Home Theater Speaker Wire. The Install CCA Home Theater Speaker Wire offers an affordable and functional option for users who want decent sound performance without the premium price of high-end materials. This 250-foot spool of 16-gauge wire uses a copper-clad aluminum core, providing reasonable conductivity and good flexibility, especially for standard home theater installations. It's an excellent option for beginners or those outfitting medium to large entertainment spaces. The double conductor design is covered in a frosted red and black jacket, which not only looks appealing but also simplifies polarity identification. This wire is designed to connect speakers to AV receivers or amplifiers with ease and performs adequately with minimal signal loss over typical home theater distances. While purists may prefer OFC for ultimate fidelity, The truth is, most average users won't notice a difference in performance for short to moderate runs. The stranded CCA wire is highly flexible, making installation smooth even in tight or angled spots. It strips cleanly and handles well, giving it an edge for DIY enthusiasts or anyone handling their own installations. The Soft Flex outer jacket adds durability without sacrificing pliability, helping to prevent damage during routing or long-term use. This wire is also useful for car audio and small studio setups, showing its versatility. While it may not be the ultimate solution for audiophiles, it provides a solid, cost-effective way to build out a home sound system.
Number 4. Install car or home theater OFC speaker wire. For users who prioritize audio clarity and signal integrity, the Install car or home theater OFC speaker wire is an ideal choice. Constructed with oxygen-free copper, OFC, this 16-gauge speaker wire ensures low resistance and high conductivity, delivering superior sound quality for home theaters, car audio systems, or studio applications. OFC's high purity allows signals to pass through with minimal distortion or interference, resulting in cleaner highs, tighter mids, and better overall soundstage depth. The red and black dual conductor design with frosted insulation not only helps with polarity identification, but also adds a sleek visual touch. The Soft Flex jacket strikes a great balance between durability and ease of use, offering resistance to wear and tear while remaining flexible enough for tight turns and tricky installations. Stripping and terminating the wire is straightforward, making this product highly suitable for DIY users and professionals alike. With 100 feet of cable per spool, it's ideal for outfitting medium-sized rooms or vehicle sound systems. This speaker wire is compatible with all standard connectors and can easily be integrated into new or existing setups. Whether you're wiring floor-standing speakers, a center channel, or rear surrounds, this cable supports excellent signal transfer, helping your components perform to their full potential. If you're unwilling to compromise on audio performance and want a reliable, long-lasting wire, this OFC speaker cable is worth the investment. Number 5. GearIt CL3 speaker wire. The GearIt CL3 speaker wire is a top-tier option designed for serious home theater enthusiasts or professionals planning more demanding installations. Using high strand count oxygen-free copper, OFC, this 14-gauge speaker wire provides outstanding signal quality, low resistance, and excellent long-term durability. OFC ensures greater conductivity than CCA alternatives, offering cleaner, more accurate sound with enhanced dynamic range. One of the standout features of this cable is its CL3 rating, which allows for both in-wall and direct burial applications, perfect for whole home audio systems or outdoor speaker setups. Audio quality is noticeably pristine, particularly for higher-powered systems or longer cable runs where signal degradation is more likely. GearIt also backs this product with a lifetime warranty, giving added confidence in its reliability and performance. Whether you're installing a dedicated home theater room or building a multi-room audio system, this speaker wire is up to the task. For users who demand the best in safety, durability, and fidelity, the GearIt CL3 speaker wire delivers premium performance without compromise.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.